So guys, don't tell me you have not been warned. This video, as I also indicated in the title, was meant only for those with really strong nerves. So now let's get back to business. So of course it was just a partial joke. This saber, or this longsword, actually the German longsword, is something I enjoy very much because I started a new hobby. It is called HEMA, Historical European Martial Arts, which is actually longsword fighting. And this is really a marvelous sport. I can just recommend it to you, especially if you're a saber fan. Start with it because you will also learn how to really fight with a sword. And this is really an exciting and awesome hobby. And therefore I use this sword a lot. Hopefully once this whole Corona thing is over, I will have more chance to practice this hobby with my fellow fencers. Of course, I did not give up on saber building. I still build my sabers, and together with X.S.T.R.E.A.M, with Jake, we still develop lightsabers and lightsaber electronics. As you can see also from this marvelous saber, which I enjoy a lot. Basically, this is just one example of our new platform, which is called X.S.T.R.E.A.M. For those of you who are still with me, I have a special treat for you today. We have been thinking about how we can ease the boredom of the Corona lockdown, and we came up with a special challenge for you. This is our own Infinity Homebrew challenge for you, in which you will learn how to build an extreme lightsaber from components on your own. Yes, you heard it right. You get working instructions how to put together from simple parts an awesome saber powered by X.S.T.R.E.A.M from Jake, which can do all the stuff today high-end sabers can and should do, which includes Omni Swing, which is our own flavor of smooth swing, and it works awesome, advanced motion sensing, crisp and clear sound, and a graphical user interface I'm convinced offers you the best user experience. And all of this you get for free if you participate in this Corona challenge. Okay, you might ask why we are doing this. It's simple. We decided that as long as we cannot get Infinity parts to you due to the worldwide Corona crisis, we simply try to cheer you up by enabling you to make your own saber from components you can source fairly easily. It took a lot of dedicated effort over a couple of months to find a combination of module which can perform all the functionalities of what the Infinity is capable of doing, and then adapt the firmware to the homebrew variant, which is here. Finally, we are proud to present you with a system similar to the first Arduino Saber FX Saber OS, taken to a whole new level. With that, an Arduino Saber story begins a new chapter. So let's see how it works. First of all, we power it. So get the battery. Just plug it in to power up the homebrew board. Oh, this is my favorite one. Of course, you might be interested in how it works together with a nanopixel blade. So of course, this is the bigger brother. This has a genuine Infinity board inside. fired up the graphical user interface. I'm not going to show it to you since there is an X.S.T.R.E.A.M tutorial from Jake, and since this is actually his baby. If you are interested how to do it, you can also watch his video. No, night is better. So now we have the flame effect. If we start lookup, we do a nice color setting. Also, there are different kind of vehicle styles. For example, let's say we want this so-called plasma flare. Let's just do an apply. Let's see how it works. Preview mode. I can turn it on. It's like basically a plasma blade that I try to replicate here with this effect. There are tons of effects, and we're adding new effects. Thanks to Jake's excellent ecosystem, it's quite easy to add new effects. So let's try one of my favorites. So in the lookup style, I'm going to set the focus lock, which just focuses the lock on one segment of the blade. Yeah, and then it looks up at one section of the blade. Of course, you can also select another location. So they expect now the lookup to happen at somewhere close to the base of the blade. Oh yeah. You can also see basically that this is not a static kind of effect. It will also move a bit to make the effect more realistic. Now it's much better. Now we can see the lookup effect much better. Oh yes, nice, right? Lookup changing with changing color with the blue one. And it is special and even brighter white color for the flash effect. So guys, thank you for listening to us, and have fun with our Infinity Homebrew Corona Boredom Killer Challenge. So just in case you have been wondering what we are up to next at Proto-Werkstatt, what kind of project we are going to pursue next, this is something I've been working on for roughly 1 year since the first Corona lockdown started, and this will be the next NeoPixel madness from Proto-Werkstatt.